Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today I wanted to make sure that I let all of you know about the really fun challenge that is going on over in the Transformational Healing Tribe Facebook group. It is our Earth Week challenge. Every day I put a challenge up in the group to the whole entire tribe, and we are cleaning our houses. I know you're like, what are you doing cleaning houses? But it's fun. It's Earth Week, and it's getting you to do those things that perhaps you've been putting off, those things that are nagging you. And remember, this channel is all about that balance, the mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical balance. And physical doesn't always have to mean your physical body. It can also mean your physical surroundings, because when your physical surroundings are in disarray and you're constantly looking at that, it can cause a mental, emotional imbalance as well. And when everything's a mess, who wants to do spiritual things when you're surrounded by mess? We're just doing little things each day. So the challenge started yesterday, Monday, and we worked on something in our kitchen. And it doesn't matter whether that was one drawer, you cleaned out the junk drawer, or you pulled everything out of one cabinet, wiped it all down, and put it back in organized, or whether you decided that you wanted and had the energy and enthusiasm to clean the whole entire room, deep cleaning. And the other thing is that you had to clean out your sink. So, and then you just submit your pictures to the tribe and say why you chose that one thing, and you get your points for that day. Now, for every day that you participate in the challenge, you increase the percentage off coupon that you're going to earn. That will be good for all of next week. And as you do more days, you can earn up to 35% off for a coupon. And if you are a member of the Transformational Healing Tribe email list, right here for that link, you will also get an extra 5%, so you can get up to 40% off on your purchases for the next week. So it doesn't have to be all one purchase. You can use your coupon more than once. Your coupon will be good until the following week. So remember, this challenge is not about how much you do. It is just about motivating you to do something to take care of your surroundings, of your home, and to also be taking care of the earth. On Friday for Earth Day, we're actually going to be doing stuff that would be outside and for the porch and things like that, encouraging you guys to get outside and do some local cleanup in your neighborhood, in your yard, and to work on picking up all of those things that got strewn about by winter. So I post those every day at 7 a.m. I post what we are going to work on today, what the challenge is of the day, and you have until midnight to get your posts in. And all of the things that are answered by midnight will get credit for that day. So there is still plenty of time to join in on the fun. I will even make an exception, and for those of you that finish both the kitchen and today's task, the living room, by the end of tonight, I'll even give you guys credit for yesterday's, which is something I have never ever done before. But since I'm putting up my YouTube video one day into the challenge, I will make that exception. Now, the reason why that's important is because whoever participates in all 7 days will have the chance to get entered their name into our cauldron that we're going to draw the name out of. And I'll be doing that live in the group on Monday when the challenge is over. So if you participate all 7 days, your name will go into the cauldron and you can win your choice of prizes. So I have a great smudging kit that I've put together with sage and sweetgrass and an abalone shell and a feather. Um, there's another prize, which is the actual natural house cleaning products that we sell in the shop. So you will get the spray bottle, the scouring powder, essential oils, and dried herbs to make your own natural cleaning spray out of vinegar. Um, and you'll get all of that. And then the third prize that you can choose from is the spiritual house cleaning kit, which includes things like Florida water, a Neil blue, cascarilla, and I think Vesta powder and black salt. So all of those prizes are valued somewhere around $33 to $36, and you get to pick one of them if you participate all 7 days and your name gets drawn. So we are having tons of fun. Come over and check out the fun. Come join in on the fun. And even if you are joining late, you can still earn discount coupons for the shop so that you can purchase the things that you need to work on spiritually cleaning your house or even physically cleaning your house as we move forward into spring. It is spring cleaning week and it's Earth Week. So I want to encourage you to make sure you spend some time outside this week. Make sure you check in with yourself as well. But definitely hop on over to the Transformational Healing Tribe Facebook group. I'll make sure that the link is in the description below, and I'll also probably put it in the comments section as well. And I'm really encouraging you to come and join us and have some fun. Remember, we're live every Sunday to help do a spiritual check-in with people and to see where people are at. We had a great live last week on Sunday, and I hope that you're going to come and join us as well. We did skip this past Sunday for Easter Sunday just for people to be able to spend some time with their families, but we will definitely be starting right back up this Sunday, and I hope to catch you there. Many blessings, and we'll see you real soon.